Okay, first off, you're gonna have to wash your face. Make sure you always start this with a clean face. So I'm just gonna go in and wash my face thoroughly.
Okay, for this it's simple and easy. So you're gonna need baking soda. The one in the boxes ran out because I don't know, they just ran out and they have the small ones, so we bought the small ones. I usually like to buy the big one because it's cheaper and it lasts for a really long time, but they didn't have those, so I got these. This one I got like 3 packets and hopefully they'll have the big one soon. And I got lemon, and I need a knife, a small bowl to mix your stuff in, and a teaspoon. So let's get started. Just cut your lemon in half. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna open up the baking soda. And this, I'm gonna use everything, and whatever is left over I'll use for the next time. So that's about it. And now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon. You want to make like a paste. You don't want it to be too liquidy either. And for those who have sensitive skin, you can go in and just put water instead of lemon. If lemon burns your skin, put water. It works in the same way. Obviously, if it has lemon, it's like, well, it lightens up dark spots, and you know, it's faster than using just water. But that's my opinion. And no, not my opinion, it really does work, because I even told one of my cousins to do it. So you want your paste looking like that. And you're gonna put this in your face. So let's get to it. Ka-pam.
For this part, you can dab it onto your skin nice and soft like I'm doing, or you can go in circular motions as if you were exfoliating.
I love the nighttime because it rains every day. I know you're not fine when you say you're okay. So follow me and we'll find something more than this light. 'Cause I love the nighttime. 'Cause I love the nighttime.
Now you wet your face cloth with some warm water and you wipe off all the baking soda. Once all the baking soda has been wiped off, you can now wash your face with some warm water and finish it off with some cold water to close all the pores.